So guys, explore tayo. Nandito tayo sa Prince Albert, so mag-explore tayo. So tingnan natin kung ano meron dito sa Prince Albert. Actually meron siyang Walmart.
Head east on Albright Crescent.
Okay siya. Ganda dito. So punta tayo Walmart.
In 150 meters.
Guys, ito this is Prince Albert. So Starbucks, Popeyes, Dollarama, and then may Walmart din doon. Halos lahat nandito na rin. So check pa tayo. So guys, this is Prince Albert. I'm about to show you. So ito yung Prince Albert. Okay siya, maganda siya. Saskatchewan Polytechnic. Dito yung Saskatchewan Polytechnic School. College. Okay.
In 500 meters, turn left onto 15th Avenue East. Take the next left onto 15th Avenue East, then turn right onto McIntosh Drive.
Hey guys, ito na tayo. Sarang coffee. Ito yung lunch room. Dito walang reserve. You can do whatever you have lunch and then coffee. Snacks and everything. And then dito yung lunch room. Ayan, may coffee station, may snacks dyan. Ang linis. So, ang laki, spacious pa. Yan, magla-lunch na tayo. So guys, tayo office review. So yung mga tropa natin, nasa sila sa labas. Pero pagkadating ng hapon, nandito na sila, mag-a-admin na sila. Ako din ganun din. Ito yung aking desk, sariling desk. Okay, ang ganda, panalo talaga.